Hello friends, welcome to my channel CBC Tutorials. Now in the previous video I had explained you about the different types of sets and how to represent them. Now let's start our next video. First with the subsets. Now to be very simple about it, subsets refer to the different parts of the set, as well as it includes the set itself and an empty set too. Now the formula for the subsets is 2 to the power n, where n represents the number of elements of the set. For example, set A consists of 1 and 2. Now 2 to the power of 2, if you do, you get 4. That means set A will have 4 subsets. Those are set 1, set 2, the set itself, that is set A itself, and an empty set. So these are the different parts of the set A, and they are referred to as the subsets of the set A. Now, if every element of a set A is also an element of set B, then we can say that set A is a subset of set B, and it is denoted by this symbol. This symbol is a symbol of a subset. Now for example, if A consists of all these elements and B consists of 1, 2, 3, 4 and all these elements, then we can say that B is a subset of A, because you can see that all the elements which B has is also present in set A. So B is basically a part of set A, so B is a subset of A. Now let's do the cardinal number of a set. Now cardinal number basically refers to the number of elements in a set, and it is denoted by a small letter n. Okay. Now for example, here we can see that we have a set A which consists of 4 elements, that is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now therefore the number of elements in set A, that is the cardinal number of set A, is 4. Now in this set B you can see that set B consists of all the letters in the word algebra. Now you have A, L, G, E, B, R. You don't have A because a letter or any element is not repeated in a set. So the number of elements in this set B is 6. Now that is called as the cardinal number of a set. Next we have disjoint sets. Now two sets A and B are said to be disjoint if they do not have any element in common. For example, X is such that X is a prime number, and in set B, X is such that X is a composite number. Now since composite number and prime number are exactly opposite of each other, there's nothing common in them. So clearly we can say that A and B do not have any element which is common in them, and so they are called as disjoint sets. Now power set. Now the collection of all the subsets, or you can say the parts of set A, is called as the power set of set A. Now it is denoted by capital letter P. Now suppose the power set of A. Okay, we can see here. Now set A is given over here. It consists of the elements P and Q. And these are all the subsets of the set A. It consists of an empty set, that is 5, consists of set P, set Q, as well as the set A itself. Now the set of all these subsets is known as the power of set A. So basically power of set A is the set of all the subsets. Next we have the universal set. Now a set which contains all the elements of other given sets is called as a universal set. The symbol for denoting a universal set is a capital letter U. Now for example, we have here 3 sets A, B and C, you can see them. Now the universal set contains the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 7. Now all these elements are present in the sets A, B as well as C. So this is the universal set. Basically it is a set which contains all the elements of the other sets. It can have even more elements other than these elements which are present in the sets A, B and C. Here we can say one more thing, that A is a subset of universal set, B and C are also subsets of universal set. So basically all the sets are a subset of universal set, because universal set contains all the elements of the other sets. Now we even have one more example over here. For example, if P is a set of all whole numbers and Q is a set of all negative numbers, then the universal set is a set of all integers. Now since we know that integers consist of all the positive numbers, negative numbers as well as 0, That is, whole numbers consist of 0 and positive numbers, and negative numbers we know. So all this, the group of all this makes up the integers. So integers is our universal set over here. Now similarly, I have given a third example over here where you can see 3 sets are given, and universal set consists of all the elements that are mentioned in the sets A, B and C. Thank you guys, that's all for today. If you liked my video, please press the like button and do share, and if you liked it, you can subscribe it too.